everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create an awesome swipe animation in Canva. It's super easy and fun, so let's get started. First, search for a circle in Elements tab and select a circle shape outline. Resize and adjust it to the center of your canvas. This circle will be the foundation of our swipe animation, so make sure it's perfectly centered. Next, we need some images. You can either search for images in the Elements tab or use one you've uploaded. For this tutorial, we are using fast food image. Insert them one by one, adjust them along the circle outline and rotate them as shown in the video. Remember to space them evenly around the circle for a balanced look. Now let's add text to name each image. Select the text tool and type the name that corresponds to each image. Change the font to RQO black. Set the font size to 30 and adjust its position next to each image. To make our text pop, we'll change the color to yellow and add a neon effect. Do the same for all images. Rotate the text and align it to each image accordingly. Once the text is aligned, select the circle outline and set its transparency to 0. This makes our design look cleaner. Now select all items on the canvas, group them, increase their size and adjust them as shown in the video. Time to add a background image. I've chosen a hot and spicy background for this tutorial. Replace your current background with your chosen image. Duplicate the page and rotate the group -90 degrees. Repeat this step 2 more times. This will create the frames needed for our swipe animation. To bring it all together, we'll add transition between the pages. Click on the transition icon, select Match and Move, set the duration to 1 second and apply it between all the pages. Go to the Edit Timing option and set the overall time to 2.5 seconds. This gives our animation a smooth and dynamic feeling. And there you have it, our swipe animation is ready. Go to Share, select MP4 format, set the quality and download your creation. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.